Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm going to put this here. This is hashtag Altered Index 2024, hosted by Nonstop Papercrafts here on YouTube, as well as in a Facebook group she has, and apparently on Instagram too. I'm only doing YouTube. I guess I should take pictures and start putting them on Instagram, but yeah, I haven't done that. Anyway, there are 3 prompts every week. This is week 13, April 2nd, 2024. And we have a color, which is charcoal this time, like a dark gray, I think of as charcoal, or black maybe, because the charcoal I have from my fire pit is black. But anyway, I use sort of dark gray. The word is love. And then the thing is travel. And I thought, ugh. Well, I do have sort of a project folder that I've been keeping stuff for travel journal slash Pennsylvania heritage slash, and I haven't been working on it. So I went digging in there first and I found some things. Like, I don't know why this was in there, but it was, other than to try and use it up. These are adhesive, 4.5 by 6.5, and my index cards are 4 by 6, so I had to cut it down half an inch. This is the one I used, which I got on the backing crooked to when I put it back, because I had to cut it half an inch each way. I think that looks charcoaly. It's sort of flowery, but I covered up most of it anyway. So that's from the Paper Studio, which was Hobby Lobby. I've had it for a long time. I used a piece of this map vellum from Stampin' Up. It's retired too, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, from 2022. Anyway, there was already a piece that was partially cut using this scallop, I think it's called scallop contour dies. Anyway, I have the thing in backwards, but I just finished cutting it and then I ended up using half of it. I did use some words out of this chit chat from Tim Holtz because it had charcoal color. It's actually like a dark gray, almost black. And I don't know if that was one of them. I think so. Anyway, you'll see the words, but it was journey, travel. There is traveler on here too. And I forget what they all are, but I'll show you. Then I actually found a couple words out of here. I think I'll show you that too. And I'm trying to use these up. I had 2 of these shaker stickers, and you'll see the one I used. And then in my travel stuff, these were not in my travel stuff, I found these Cartabella chipboard accents, all about travel, and this coordinating, like, uh, road trip buses, car, taxis, I guess. So I used that. I used 2 of them. Well, 3 of them. A little heart down here too. And, oops, and a heart punch. One of the heart punches in the old heart punch duo from Stampin' Up, which is retired now. And this gingham ribbon, because I thought it looked like photo strips. I just did a little bow with that. So it's kind of busy here, and here's what I did. I already did it. So I put the adhesive stuff down on the card, wrote everything on the back. I had a leftover strip of the vellum, so I just put it there like a little border, which is going to mess me up in my storage, which I'll show you in a minute. So that's the background. Here's this, which also sort of looks charcoal gray on it, right? And then I added some color. So from Tim Holtz, we have journey, flight, love. There's our keyword, travel, and fly. These were from the Cartabella, these 3. This is the punch out. Oh, and this is out of this Stickabilities Inspirational Phrases foiled. I thought that kind of looked charcoaly too, but it's a heart with love, and I had to cut it. So follow your heart, because, follow your heart. I want to travel. I want to follow my heart and go a few places, so that's appropriate for me. Little airplane. I used 4 out of the Cartabella stuff. Here's the washi tape. the bye-bye and a wonderful trip are from the Dollar Tree gold stickers, which don't really go, but it's really a mishmash. But we've got our arrivals and departure flights, our passport to paradise or anywhere, and a little airplane. And the word I should have had, well, that says flight. I should have had fly with that. I don't know. It's all right. Anyway, that's what I ended up with. Like I said, it's kind of a mishmash. Oh, and this, I could actually put a little journaling spot under there if I wanted to. I think that looks charcoal, don't you? Anyway, let me know what you think of my travel, love, and charcoal altered index card, and we'll put that in our book. We're storing them in this photo book that I'd gotten at a yard sale or a thrift store or something years ago. And this one I actually wrote on. The other ones I was putting strips in because I didn't know how I was going to use it. But I don't think this will go to anybody. I think it'll go in my travel journal or something at some point if I ever work on it and ever go anywhere. I can show you what I started with that a couple years back. I think it was during the, you know what time a few years ago. So that's how I'm storing it in these pockets. So anyway, that is my project for this week's altered index 2024. Please go look at Nonstop Paper Crafts video for this week, as well as use the hashtag and find anyone else that might be participating. That is it. That was last week. This is this week, and you have a great week ahead. Okay, take care. Hugs, love, and peace.